Okay, look, disclaimer. If you think that giving sex for Valentine's Day is a gift, log out. Because this video is not for you. Hey flowers, it's your girl Reese LaFleur and I am back with another video. What's up? How you doing? I hope all is well. It is Valentine's Day week, so every video this week will have something to do with Valentine's Day. So today I'm going to give you some cheap, broke bitch style, baddie on a budget, broke girl on a budget ideas for your bae, he, she, whoever. Just ideas for you to get them gifts, especially if you kind of waited a little bit last minute. Look, sis, you just got paid, you got to pay your rent, you don't got it, whatever it is, boo, I got you, so you can still make that significant other feel special. So if you want to see my little list of gifts ideas for you to, you know, maybe use, make sure you continue to watch. But before we get into all the goodies, I want you to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell for notifications so that anytime that I upload a video, you are notified. Go ahead and thumbs up this video, comment down below, and make sure you share this video with your friends. Alright, you guys, remember to bloom because a flower is a soul, blossoming in nature. Let's get into it. Okay, my flowers, let's get into it. I'm super duper excited about this, guys. Okay, so I did think about all of the gifts that I wanted to put, and I'm going to give you pictures and stuff like that of what I mean, and just in case it's not necessarily clear. Yeah, but I did come up with this list kind of like all on my own. So number one on the list, it's not ranking in any order or anything, this is just number one. It's not necessarily a gift, but it is something romantic that can be done. Having a romantic dinner at home. This is something that will show him that, or her, or whoever, your appreciation for, you know, just loving them, and this is just a nice gesture. You can easily go to, if you're even that much on a budget, you can even go to like places like Trader Joe's, which is a lot cheaper than normal supermarkets, and you can just buy like some shrimp, a steak, or whatever, or you don't even have to go that hard. Just make his favorite meal. Go to Trader Joe's also sells flowers. Buy you a little bouquet, get some rose petals. I was just in there the other day. They have a bouquet of roses, 12 dozen roses for $6.99. That is not a bad price, y'all. I'm telling you, especially since the holiday is coming. So you get in there, you get you some roses, sprinkle those all over, give him a nice plate, whatever, y'all eat, y'all chill, y'all lay up, watch some movies afterwards, some love movies, and you call it a day. Boom. Most you probably spent for this gift is $30, and that's with the flowers in the mail. So baddie on the budget, there you go. Okay, you guys, the next thing idea is another event that you can do at home just to show love and appreciation, and you can do a paint and sip. So yes, you guys will eat and other things like that. You can also add this onto your romantic dinner at home. So you just go to Michael's or any place like that. I've done this actually for my boyfriend before, for one of his birthdays. I bought a paint and sip to us at home, and all you have to do is just go to Michael's. They sell these canvas sizes. I'll actually link that down in the description box because I can't remember the exact size of it, but it's a pretty good size, and they also sell like tabletop easels. So I believe that for that whole project, I ended up, including with paint, I ended up spending less than $20. I'm pretty sure it was less than $20 that I ended up spending. So you can easily just go to Michael's, get y'all some paint, some you know, watercolor paint or whatever it is, some canvas pieces. The pack comes with 4 canvas pieces and then 2 easels, and the easels come with 2 in a pack. And I think that was the most expensive part of that, you know, thing. But that'll be a nice, cute thing, and you get you your favorite bottle of wine. Or if you like something a little bit more expensive for the palate, you know, you can splurge on that. You know, get him his Hennessy or his whatever he like to drink, his Ciroc, whatever it is, Patron. You know, because it was a little pricey. You know what I'm saying? Am I talking too fast? I think I'm talking too fast. Let me slow down. So I just feel like, you know, that's something else that you could be real sweet. You can still do your rose petals and stuff like that, but it's a nice intimate night at home just to talk and kind of have date night, but you can't necessarily afford to take him out, whatever like that. Not, you know, I don't know why he not taking you out or whatever y'all thing is. I don't know anybody's story, but if it's like you want to do something special for him, I feel like that's a perfect thing to do. Y'all can talk. I mean, get some body paint too if you want to for after. I don't know how. frisky you want to get. So the next item on my list is going to be a gift basket. Now you can have baskets pre-made, but it costs more to have someone make it for you than you to make it yourself. So I know for me, like one thing I notice about men in general, not all men, but just in general, they don't really like, they don't really re-up on their socks, their wife beaters, their underwear, their products. So if he likes his beard oils and stuff like that, you could just roll everything up nice, wrap it up cute, get a little whisker basket. This is also something that you could do from Michael's. Get your little wicker basket and just kind of put everything, and they sell the little piece. You bow it up, add a little teddy bear in there or something like that, maybe a little bit of rose petals just to make it a little bit more festive, and voila, you done made this man a gift basket. You can go and get sample products from I think Keel, like a gift basket, a gift set from Marshall's. They have, things on sale. I know Versace's in there. Who else is in? I think Dolce might have made it to Marshall's, or you can even order a gift set from Groupon that's a little bit cheaper. Groupon, you might not get it in time, so I'm trying to give you places that you can go in person, because it is, this is your last minute gift and you just didn't have it, you didn't know what to do. So you can easily just go to Michael's, go to Marshall's, go to Century 21. I don't know if y'all have that where you live, but TJ Maxx, Target, any of those type of places, or your local Walmart, and get those little size things. Put that in there with his underwear, his socks, and wrap it up real cute and nice. And that is a really cute, gift that you can give him. And you can even put like a little teddy bear in there just to add a little bit of a Valentine's Day touch to it. So I think that is a great idea. Just make it yourself, because it costs a little bit more if you want to get somebody else to make a gift basket for you. And I feel like if you make the gift basket yourself, it's a little bit more, close to the heart. The next thing on the list is going to be a coupon book. Now this can be a freaky coupon book, or it can be a rated G coupon book, or it can be a mixture of both, where it's like, okay, for a week, if you guys live together, I'll watch this for a week. You can cash it in any week. You can put your little expiration dates on it. You can make it yourself at home, and you can just do it on the computer and just print it out. You can go to Staples or something like that and have it printed out. If you have Walmart, you can also print it out there as well. You can put whatever you want on. You can put your nasty, whatever. So I think that is a great gift. Wrap it up, add a little bit of a something to it, and boom, you got a gift. Easy peasy. Last minute sneezy. Next gift is going to be a calendar of you. So you can easily, we take pictures all day long, right? We take selfies, we take whatever. You can easily, there's several ways that you can do this. You can take the pictures yourself. You can use your self timer on your iPhone and just get a tripod if you have one, or just put it on a ledge or something like that. Whatever you have to do, make open space, get your little outfits together. You can use outfits that you already have that are inspired by the season and the month or whatever. His birthday month, take it a little special. You know what I'm saying? Get a thing of whipped cream with a freaking cherry, so you could be like a cake or whatever. You know what I mean? Like, you can take it there. You can be creative with it, and you can do whatever you want. And you make him a calendar for the year, so he has these sexy calendar pictures of you. But it's something, if y'all don't live together, he has to see every day. So every month he has a new surprise of a nice picture that you made for him. You can also get those printed anywhere you want. You get those pictures printed anywhere you want. Or another thing that you could do is go and find a local up-and-coming photographer who may have a space, who might not charge you, or if they do charge you, they're charging like little to nothing to do this, because people like to exchange things for other things. So you can just, if you're like a growing influencer like I am, you could easily just say, hey, let me go ahead and shout you out. I have this many followers, but you have this many or whatever. I'll shout you out, and you could just do my photo shoot. You could either do it like that, or you could just do it yourself. So that's another gift idea. Next gift idea I have for you is this really simple. It's a robe and slippers, and you can get this from anywhere. Macy's, TJ Maxx, Walmart, anything like that. And if you want, I don't know if any place in person does this, but you can also get their initials on it or something like that, something cute to make it personable. But Macy's always has sales on robes and stuff like that, and slippers, and I know for a fact it's always on sale, so you can get something like that for about $30 for the robe and the slippers if it's on sale at Macy's. Make sure you look up your coupons. Make sure you look up everywhere you gotta go. Girl, I don't give a fuck if you gotta get on WikiBuy. If you gotta save that coin and you got a budget, your budget $50, we gonna make it work, okay? We gonna make it work. He gonna be happy, and your pocket's gonna be happy. Everybody happy. Everybody good. Next thing is the traditional teddy and card. Of course, this is a fallback on if you really don't know what to do and all you got is your pharmacy teddy bear and a card. I mean, I feel like being a little bit more creative than that works, but some people are just not that creative. They can't think of anything, or they just don't have the time or the will or the energy to go pick up anything else. I don't know your situation, but you could always get a nice card and a nice teddy bear from somewhere. Just make it nice and personable. Honestly, a lot of these things you could do together. So I would do the teddy and the card with the paint and sip. You know what I'm saying? Like, okay, y'all couldn't do dinner. Y'all had to order Chinese food for dinner or whatever like that. You know, I don't know nobody's situation, but okay, boom, you got him a teddy and a card, and y'all doing a paint and sip. So now y'all got a little date night. You know what I mean? The last thing, okay, is you can also make a scrapbook. Now, you can take pictures, or just a photo album in general. It doesn't even have to be like a real scrapbook, but Michael sells scrapbooks that you can use to start putting in pictures, or you can just do a beautiful photo album of the reasons why you love him and tell that story in pictures of y'all together. So it could be, okay, the reason why I love you is because you always make me laugh. The both of y'all are double over in the picture laughing. You understand what I'm saying? Or the reason why I love you is because the food that you make. It could be a picture of him in the kitchen cooking something that you know he's made for you that you took. You understand what I'm saying? So like, you can use those pictures and create a memory book, something sentimental that'll say like, this is why I love you, because you know Valentine's Day is about love. It's about showing this person I love you and I want to show my appreciation for the love that we share. It doesn't have to be necessarily monetary, where I'm gotta buy this, Gucci this, Louis this. It doesn't have to be that. So I think a scrapbook is another great idea for you to have, you know, for Valentine's Day. If you just might not have it like that, but you know, want to do something, like I said, go ahead, print out your pictures, sis, and you good money. Like, print out your pictures, get a photo album from Dollar Tree, anywhere you need to go. I think Dollar Tree has photo albums, or the Dollar Store, Family Dollar, whatever it is. Pretty sure they have it. You can even decorate it yourself. That's what I would do. I would, you know, I would probably go to Michael's, decorate my own little photo album, you know what I'm saying, make a collage or something like that on the front, something that shows that I love him, and then put my little pictures inside and just write little notes next to it. And I think that's a great gift idea. So I gave y'all a few options. So those are all the ideas that I have for you today. If anyone else has another idea, please share with each other down in my comments. Have a conversation. I know, you know, you never know. I might not have thought of everything. I just picked the gifts that I thought would be the easiest, the cheapest, and the most accessible. So make sure you join that flower gang by liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing to your girl. I love you forever. Okay, flowers, see you guys in my next video. I really hope you enjoyed this. I really tried not to talk too fast, so I hope everything that I said pushed through and you guys got it. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.